Hi students, good evening everybody. So we have seen the concepts of multiple and submultiple angles. All the formulae also we have discussed with the proofs. Look at this question. Find the values of sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a if tan a equal to 4 by 3. Formula based problem. Let us see the solution. Given that tan a equal to 4 by 3. So first one, sin 2a. When we are given tan a, sin 2a, we have one formula, that is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay. 2 times tan a is 4 by 3, 1 plus tan square a, that is 16 by 9. This is 8 by 3, 9 plus 16, take LCM, 9 plus 16, 25 by 9, that is 8 by 3 into 9 by 25. 3 ones, 3 threes, 8 threes, 24 by 25. Therefore, sin 2a value 24 by 25. Okay. Similarly, cos 2a also we have one formula in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. You can check the formula once. 1 minus tan a value is already given 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 whole square upon 1 plus 4 by 3 whole square. 1 minus 16 by 9, this is 1 plus 16 by 9. Take LCM. So we will get 9 minus 16, that is 7, minus 7 by 25. Therefore, cos 2a equal to minus 7 by 25. Next comes tan 2a. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, that is tan 2a formula in terms of tan a. Okay, now substitute the values. 2 times tan a value how much here? 4 by 3 by 1 minus 16 by 9. This is also 8 by 3 by 9 minus 16 minus 7 by 9. So 8 by 3 times minus 9 by 7. 3 1s, 3 3s, minus 24 by 7. So therefore, tan 2a value minus 24 by 7. So that is the end of solution. Okay. Let us see one more problem. So by using all the formulae of multiple and submultiple, we can solve the problems. But you should be able to remember the formula. Okay. Find the values of second question. Find the values of sin 67.5 degrees, cos 67.5 degrees, tan 67.5 degrees. Okay. So this is the value we have to find. So here we will use one formula. Cos 2a formula in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Sin square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Sin a equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Right? Now in the place of a, I will take, let a equal to let A equal to 67 and a half. 67 and a half degrees. It belongs to Q1 because below 90 below angles are in Q1, so we will take positive only. So 67 and a half. So sin 67 and a half degree equal to square root of 1 minus cos 2 times 67 and a half means 135 degrees by 2. So what is cos 135? Cos 135 degrees equal to cos, we can write 90 plus 45. 90 plus theta is in second quadrant, cos negative, sin 45. So sin 45 how much? 1 by root 2. So we will get 1 minus 1 by root 2 means plus 1 by root 2 by 2. Simplify this. Root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Therefore, sin 67 and a half degrees value root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Okay. For cos 67 and a half, we will use the same formula but in terms of cos I will take. It is 1 minus 2 sin square A. In terms of cos, we have 2 cos square A minus 1. So 2 cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A. So cos square A means 1 plus cos 2A by 2. Cos A equal to square becomes square root. So we will take plus only since A is 67 and a half. So we will take positive only, we will take cos 2A by 2. Let A equal to 67 and a half here. Let A equal to 67 and a half. This is also belongs to Q1. Now substitute. Cos 67 and a half equal to 1 plus cos 135 by 2. Right? That equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Already we got the value of cos 135 there. 2. Take LCM. Root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Therefore, cos 67 and a half equal to root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Now for getting tan 67 and a half, tan 67 and a half, I can divide sin by cos. We have already fundamental formula. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So we will get under root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. RF we will take root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. Then we will get root 2 plus 1 whole square by, it looks like a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square under root. So here square root get cancelled, root 2 plus 1. Here we will have 2 minus 1 means 1. So tan 67 and a half degrees value root 2 plus 1. So that is the end of solution. Hope it is clear. Thank you.